Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really cool way to upgrade your presentations and motion animations using Canva's powerful match and move feature. If you want to make your slides flow smoothly and look super professional, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add stunning, seamless animated transitions to your Canva projects with just a few clicks. Alright, let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva. You can do this in your web browser, or if you have the Canva app installed, open that up. Signing in takes just a minute, and if you don't already have an account, their free version offers plenty for what we're doing today. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually nice and bright near the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. Now in the dropdown, choose Presentation. Even if your final project isn't a traditional presentation, this is perfect for making anything that needs smooth slide transitions. Think social media carousels, digital portfolios, or quick pitch decks. Next, you'll see a variety of templates pop up on your screen. Take a moment here. Browsing the templates isn't just about picking something pretty. Certain templates offer layouts that naturally look more dynamic when you add motion transitions. Pick one that fits the vibe of your project, whether that's minimal and clean or something with bold graphics. Click your chosen template to load it into the editor. Now add your content, adjust the text, images, or graphics to suit your story. Here, where the magic begins. To create that next level animation, we need to add a transition between the slides. Down at the bottom, you'll see your slides laid out like a film strip. Hover your mouse between two slides and a tiny plus or add transition button should appear. Click it. You'll see a menu of transition options pop up. Look for one called Match and Move. This is Canva's secret weapon for creating really professional animations because it detects elements that are repeated or moved between your slides and makes them literally animate from their position on one slide to the next. This way your objects don't just appear or disappear, they glide seamlessly, making your presentation feel alive, almost like you're watching a short animated film. Once you've selected Match and Move, you'll see a preview of how the transition looks. If you're happy with it, there's a helpful button often labeled Apply to All Slides. Go ahead and click that so every transition in your project uses this smooth animation. This saves you time and keeps the whole design consistent, which is key for professional-looking motion graphics. Before you're done, there's one more quick tweak that can really improve the feel of your animation. By default, the transition might move a little slowly for your taste. Look for the timing option. This lets you adjust how long the transition takes. Set it to 1 second to make everything feel snappy and modern. If you like things a little more relaxed, you can always leave it slower, but for most projects, 1 second keeps things engaging without feeling rushed. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed a standard presentation into a visually pleasing animated sequence that stands out. If any of these steps felt a little tricky, don't worry. Give yourself a moment to play around with the transitions, and you'll be a Canva Motion Pro before you know it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Canva feature you want to deep dive on. And of course, hit subscribe for more easy, powerful design tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy designing.